Gary Yeomans Ford, your EV headquarters.
Hey, are you thinking about switching over to an electric vehicle? Thinking about how much gas you might be able to save per year, annual maintenance costs? I'm here to answer all those questions for you guys right now. This is the 2023 Ford Mach-E. I want to tell you guys a little bit of information about the savings and annual costs that you can save by switching over to an electric vehicle. Did you know that the cost of switching to an electric vehicle, the annual fuel savings you could be looking at is around $3,000, annual maintenance savings of $300? Every single morning you wake up, you're waking up to a full tank ready to go. Obviously it's dependent upon how you drive, but every single morning you're waking up to a full tank ready to get down the road. Here we have the Ford Lightnings. Your estimated fuel savings for a Ford Lightning, switching over from your 3.5 V6 over to the Lightning, you're looking at an annual fuel savings of over $4,000. Annual maintenance cost savings of around $400 per year. So all Ford electric vehicles, the Mach-E and the Lightning, are gonna come with regenerative braking. That regenerative braking is gonna supply power back to your battery so you have an extended range, longer life in the battery, as well as extending the life of your brake pads on the vehicle so you're not replacing those brakes nearly as often. So as you guys can see in here, there's not very much to maintain. The really only maintenance you're gonna be looking at on a Mach-E or an electric vehicle like this is gonna be your air cabin filter to keep the air inside the cabin nice and clean. Alrighty guys, if you're ready to start saving thousands of dollars on fuel, annual maintenance costs, and waking up every morning with a full tank for your drive to work or to go on that vacation, go check us out at GoYeomans.com.